Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching Being Zoologist. So today we are discussing about the revision of your respiration and circulation unit. I hope you understood all the topics. So this is your syllabus which we have already covered, right? So external respiration, internal respiration, in which what happens? The exchange of gases takes place directly from the cell surface, that is direct one. Indirect respiration, there are some organs involved for respiration purpose, like lungs, nostrils are there. Yes, so indirect respiration is there and direct respiration is there. After that we talked about the earthworm. Yes, so in earthworm cutaneous respiration is there, which means the respiration which takes place with the help of skin. So entire body surface performs the respiration here, right? So that's why we required moist skin for the exchange of gases. Then we saw the pulmonary respiration, the respiration which takes place with the help of lungs, which are called as book lungs in case of spiders, right? Many arthropods shows this kind of respiration, in which the main respiratory organs are trachea and the book lungs. Some pulmonary sac is also there. Pulmonary chamber and atrial chamber is distributed in that pulmonary sac, right? So this is the diagram. You can see the location over here where exactly the book lungs are there, right? Atrial chamber, in which small spores are there, which helps in communication with the intralamellar space, yes, in which the hemolymph is there, so exchange of gases takes place in that area. Pulmonary chamber is also there, which containing 150 lamellae, right, which are parallel to each other, and upper lamellae connected to the base of the intralamellar space. Intralamellar space connects through the ostia, so that this is the direct connection between the atrial chamber and pulmonary chamber, that is ostia. Yes, so this is all the description regarding atrial chamber and pulmonary chamber. If question is asked, write the respiratory structures of spider, or we can say if you have to ask, or if you have to write about the spider respiration or book lung respiration in spider, so you have to describe all those things. So how the mechanism is done here? Inspiration and expiration is takes place, right? Inspiration means what? Taking air inside. Expiration means what? Taking out the air outside the body. Yes. So after that we saw respiration in fishes. So we have taken the example of rohu, yes, in which operculum is there. It is a bony fish, yes, and operculum is there, which is helping in the respiration process by flip-flop movement. Okay, so here gill slits of bony fishes are covered with the operculum, and this operculum is absent in the cartilaginous fishes, that is chondrichthyes. Yes, okay. So this is the structure of the gills. Here you can see gill racer is there, gill arch is there, gill filaments are there, and some lamellae are also there. So they are helping in the respiration. So here you can see the exact mechanism of respiration. At left hand side corner you will see the inhalation process, and at the right side corner you will see the exhalation process. So in inhalation you will see here one entry of the air is taking place, right, from the mouth to the buccal cavity, and then that air is coming out through the gills. Okay, in exhalation what is happening? The oral wall is closed now. Whatever air is there, it is coming out through the gill slit. So in this way the respiration is taking place. So this is the ideal chart. Here you can see the different kinds of respiration and the respiratory organ and the animal in which the respiration is taking place. So for example, in earthworm, respiration takes place with the help of skin. In spider, with the help of book lungs. In bony fishes, gill slits are there, operculum is also there, and in some cases some accessory respiratory organs are also seen. For example, anabas and clarius. Those two species of fishes show some adaptive kind of respiration, which is called as respiration with the help of some accessory organs. So here in anabas you will see labyrinthine organ is there, that is the modification for respiration. In clarius, arbescent organ is there. Okay, after that we talked about the frog respiration. So in case of frog, three main types of respirations are there. Respiration with the help of skin, which is called cutaneous respiration, which also takes place in earthworm. Then buccopharyngeal respiration is also there, and the respiration with the help of lungs is also there, that is pulmonary respiration. Why this is happening? As you all know, frog is an amphibian species. So tadpole lives in water and the adult frog is living in the terrestrial environment. That's why the respiration kinds are different. After that you will see the pigeon. In pigeon, lungs are there, but one more modification is also there. There is respiratory sacs are there. So it is very important. So that is a kind of adaptation for flight purpose, just to loosen up the weight, right? So in case of pigeon, pulmonary sacs are developed, and in human, as you all know, lungs are there for respiration. So here you will see the oxygen is taken up by the blood from the water. Yes, in the mouth cavity, or we can say buccopharyngeal cavity. I already talked about this slide, no? So I'll skip this one. See the structure of labyrinthine organ, which is the accessory respiratory organ. Okay. Yes, respiration in frog, here you can see. As I told you, tadpole stage is there, adult stage is there, and so that's why the complex life cycle is there, and three types of respirations are there. So here you will see tadpoles are water breathers, means respiration through gills is taking place over here. But in case of terrestrial environment, in adult frog, you will see respiration takes place with the help of skin. Okay. Yes. Here you can see the structure of lung. Fine. So now let's talk about the pigeon respiration. Respiration in case of birds. So respiratory system is highly developed here. Two unique features of pigeon respiratory systems are, first one is the presence of air sacs.